A 4-channel dash cam that records 360 degrees around your car, includes a free 128GB SD card, and costs under $90. The IIWEY N5 sounds like the absolute steal of the year. But before you hit that Add to Cart button, you need to know a few things. There are 3 crucial details about the installation, the parking mode, and a hidden app trap that the manufacturer buries in the fine print. Welcome back to Shop Smart. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the IIWEY N5 dashcam, so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive in.
Let's start with what makes this camera incredibly popular. For the price, the hardware you're getting is seriously impressive. The N5 gives you complete 360-degree coverage. We're talking front, rear, inside, left, and right. It runs at a quad 180p resolution, or you can switch it up to 2.5K front view combined with 180p for the other 3 angles. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or just want total peace of mind in crazy traffic, this coverage is unbeatable. Nighttime driving? Not an issue. It's packed with 8 infrared lamps, giving you crystal clear night vision inside the cabin, even in pitch black. Plus, IIWEY actually includes a 128GB micro SD card right in the box, which easily saves you $15 to $20 right off the bat. But here is where you need to pay close attention. There are 3 major catches with the N5. Catch number 1, power. This unit uses a supercapacitor instead of a standard lithium battery. Now, this is actually great for durability. It won't melt or explode if you live in places with extreme heat like Texas or Arizona, surviving temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. But because of this, you absolutely must use the included original cigarette lighter charger, or it simply won't work. Catch number 2 is the app. The N5 has built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which is 4 times faster than standard connections for downloading your clips. But to prevent the camera from overheating, the Wi-Fi will automatically shut off if it's disconnected from the app for more than 5 minutes. Also, a massive warning here. The required apps IIWEY or VDoer are completely free. Do not pay for any VIP upgrades inside the app. You don't need them, and they are a waste of money. And finally, catch number 3, the 24-hour parking mode. The camera has a great G sensor that locks emergency footage if someone bumps your car, but if you want it to record while your car is turned off, you cannot just plug it in and walk away. You have to buy a specific hardwire kit separately to connect it directly to your car's Hughes box. So is the IIWEY N5 worth it? If you are on a budget and want the absolute maximum camera coverage for your vehicle, yes. For under $90, the value of 4 lenses, a supercapacitor, and an included SD card is incredibly hard to beat. Just make sure you understand the power requirements and grab that hardwire kit if you want the parking monitor. I've put the links to the absolute best current prices for the IIWEY N5, as well as the compatible hardwire kit right down in the description and the pinned comment below. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Shop Smart for more no-nonsense tech reviews, and drive safe. I'll see you in the next one.